Hello children, today I am going to explain you chapter 3, the starting point. Student, it is an extract from The Race of My Life by Milkha Singh. Student, it is an autobiography of Milkha Singh. You all are familiar with Milkha Singh, a famous athlete. Let's start. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, is a former Indian track and field sprinter. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. Student, Milkha Singh is also known as a Flying Sikh. We call him a Flying Sikh and is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Sprinter means student, an athlete who races over short distance, and an athlete who races over short distances. Okay. Then Milkha Singh was also known as a Flying Sikh, and he is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Sprinter, as I've told you, an athlete who races over short distances. And he represented India in Commonwealth Games in year 1958 and Summer Olympic Games year 1956, 1960 and 1964. As a child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back, so running long distances came naturally to him. In his youth, he joined the army where he was introduced to running as a sport. Student, the running long distances came naturally to him. Why? Because when he was child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back. It means, students, his school was 5 kilometers away from his home, and he went 5 kilometers to school, and he came back from his school to home 5 kilometers. It means 10 kilometers. He used to run 10 kilometers daily. Okay, that's why running long distances came naturally to him. And in his youth, he had joined the army where he introduced to running as a sport person. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades for India at various international events. Accolades means, students, accolades means awards. Accolades means awards. Okay. Then he has won several accolades for India in various international events. He is the best remembered for his 4th place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games. But he was mostly remembered for his 4th place, which he took in fourth place finish in the 400 meter final at the 1960 Olympic Games. It means in 1960 Olympic Games he finished 4th places. He took 4th place finish in the 400 meter race, and his 4th place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record then and was held for almost 40 years. And his 4th place he has completed in the time 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record, and this has become the Indian national records then and was held for almost 40 years. And this record was going on for 40 years, we can say no one has broken his record. Now let's start this chapter, students. Paragraph 1. Three fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. Students, recruit meaning is given there. You can see a person who has recently joined the armed forces. Now he is saying that three fortunate things and incidents has happened in his life in January 1953 when he had joined the armed forces. When he had joined the armed forces, that three incidents had changed his life. Students, let's see what that three incidents are there. Paragraph 2. After the morning roll call, one Saturday there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. All 500 recruits would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. Students, what the meaning of roll call? Calling out the list of names of recruits to check who is there. Students, as we can say, attendance. When you are present in the school, then in your first period, your class teacher took attendance. This is the same thing. Okay, we can say attendance. Then after the attendance on Saturday, what happened? There was an announcement. There was an announcement that a 6-mile race was going to be held next day. Students, after the attendance, there was an announcement has done that there was a 6-mile race was going to be held next day. All 500 recruits would participate in this event, and all 500 recruits means the person who has recently joined the armed forces would participate in this event, and the person who will come and the persons who will come in the top 10 means the who will come in the winner in the top 10 list would be exempted from fatigue duty. Student, exempted from means excused from doing a particular duty, and fatigue duty means duties such as cleaning and cooking carried out in fatigues, that is loose clothes instead of uniform. Fatigue duty means हम ये कह सकते हैं बेटा थकाने वाला काम. Okay, that the person who will come in top 10 would be exempted means will not be do that duty which they have to do, means like the cleaning, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, all these things they will not do. And even not only this, and that person will get a glass of milk every day during the training period. Means the person who will come in the list of top 10 will be excused, will be not do the duty, the fatigue duty means cleaning and washing, this type of duty will not do, and even will get a glass of milk every day during the training period. Next, students, paragraph 3. The next morning, we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. Filled with a sense of mission, I ran as fast as I could. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me, as I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. What happened next morning? All the recruits reported there at the starting line, and they have wore canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. Means they have wear shorts, vest and shoes. And when the whistle blew, they set off to start their race. And filled with a sense of mission. Sense of mission means, students, a feeling that he was doing a very important task. Now Milkha Singh was filled with sense of mission, that he was thinking that he was going to do a very important task. That task was very important to him. Why? I ran as fast as could. Means he was filled with that sense of mission, and that's why he has tried that to run as fast as he could do. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat. A big treat means something that is pleasant and enjoyable, especially because it comes a part of a celebration. Means that getting a glass of milk was a big treat, a big reward for him. Why? Because as he had suffered great want and deprivation, means students, the situation of not having something due to lack of money, means that he had uh, suffered a lot in his childhood, and that's why getting a glass of milk was a good a reward for him. And so the reward of getting a glass of milk meant a great deal to Milkha Singh. And I took the lead I took the lead in the first 2 or 3 miles. I would rest while if I felt tired, and then run again when I saw others catching up. Luck was with me that day, and I finished sixth in the race. And how he started to run, he told that I took the lead in the first 2-3 miles, but when he feel that he was tired, then he stopped and he raced for a while. But when he saw that others were going to catch him, then he again started to run. And he was saying that the luck was with him on that day, because he has finished the race and he has got the sixth position. Okay, he finished sixth in the race. Students, as I've told you that a glass of milk a great deal to him, because the initial attraction of the Milkha Singh to join the race was the glass of milk that would be given to the top 10 winners, and he finished sixth in the race. The accolades he received and the encouragement he got from the familiar and even unfamiliar soldiers was an overwhelming experience for him. The names of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people. Friends, even strangers, wildly applauded and thumped me on my back, shouting Shabash. I was quite overwhelmed by the attention and appreciation I received that night, and this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. Students, the name of the top 10 recruits were announced, who has qualified were announced before 300 people, means there was a large gathering of the people and almost 300 people were there. In front of them, the name of the 10 recruits were top 10 recruits had announced, and the friends and the strangers all are there. Friends are also there and strangers are also there, wildly applauded and thumb on him and thumb me on my back, means they have praised him, they have thumbed him and shouting Shabash. What is the Shabash, students? A word in Hindi which means well done, means it means they are saying well done. And he was quite overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means students felt sudden strong emotions, means he was filled with strong emotions by the attention which he has got by the friends and the strangers, and the appreciation which he has received, which everyone has applauded for him and everyone has told Sabash, means well done to him, which all this thing which he has received, by this he was very excited and filled with emotions on that night. At this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. This was the first incident. By this he has started his career as an athlete. Students, as I have told you initially, initial attraction of Milkha Singh to join the race was the glass of milk, and that's why he would be given to the top glass of milk that would be given to the top 10 winners. He finished sixth in the race, but accolades he received and the encouragement he got from the familiar and unfamiliar soldiers was an overwhelming experience for him. All this gave him strength and determination to take up the athletics as his career. Paragraph 5th. As part of our training, we had to run 6 miles every day. I eagerly looked forward to end of the practice session when he would get the promised glass of milk. Our instructor was Havaldar Gurudev Singh, who had been with the army for about 50 years. Although his task was to train new recruits, he was a good runner himself and he continued to participate in race. Students, as a part of his training, we had to run 6 miles every day. It was the part of his training that he has to run 6 miles every day, but he eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice session. Why? Because he was waiting the reward which he used to get a glass of milk. He was eagerly waiting that the reward which means the glass of milk. Our instructor means there was an instructor whose name was Havaldar Gurudev Singh and who had been with the army about 15 years. He was in the army about 15 years, and it was really a very difficult task, very difficult work to train new recruits. And but Havaldar Singh means the Gurudev Havaldar, the instructor, was very a good runner himself, and he also took part in the races. It means students, Gurudev was an instructor in the army and he trained new recruits, but he was also a good runner who participated in races. Gurudev was a tactiton, no nonsense kind of a man. His tough exterior hid his softer, gentler side. He would run with us during training session, prodding us with a danda, shouting, "Run boys, run for our regiment." Okay, tactiton means students reserved, someone who does not speak much, and no nonsense means serious and direct. Serious and direct, we can say serious. Okay, and his tough exterior hid his softer, gentler side means he appeared to be very strict and harsh, although he was not really like that. Prodding means gently urging them to run faster. Danda means stick, we can say. And regiment, a unit of soldiers in the army made up of several smaller groups. Student, Gurudev was a person who does not speak too much, and he is a person of a serious and direct type of person, and he was also very kind person and very reserved person who does not speak too much. And his tough exterior hide his softer, gentler side. Means from outside he looks that he was very strict, but actually he was not that much strict. He was very soft by his heart. He was soft from inside. Students, it's very important that he was instructor, that he has to show to the recruitments his harder side. If he will be very soft with them, they will not follow his instructor. That's why he looks very hard and he looks very strict, but actually he was very soft from his heart. And he would run with them during their training session and prodding them means they encourage them to run fast by using his danda, means by using his stick. They encourage them to run fast, and shouting, "Run boys, run for our regiment." As I've told you, regiment means unit of soldiers in the army made up several smaller groups. Means he was saying that "Run boys, run for our group." I strongly believe that he was instrumental in motivating me to strive to become a world-class athlete. Even today, when I think of his Janda, I bow my head in respect. And now he is saying that instrumental means student playing an important part in getting something done or achieving something. Milkha Singh saying that I believe that he had played a very important role in my life in motivating me. He has played a very important role. He has motivated me to become a world class athlete. And even today, when I think about his janda, means think about his stick, I bow my head in respect. Bow means student when we do our head like that in front of anyone to whom we respect. It means that he respect is too much. Even when he thought or when he imagined about his janda or his stick, then he bow his head. It means he respected him very much. And Milkha Singh students believes that it was Gurudev's training methods that helped him to become a world class athlete. That's why he respect him very much. Paragraph 7 students, his 6 weeks into our training, the center held a cross-country race. In this event, Gurudev came first and I came second. Cross-country means student across fields or open country and not on roads on a track. After 6 weeks into our training, the center has held a cross-country race. And in this event, Gurudev has came first and Milkha Singh came second. Again, I became a cynosure of all eyes. I was 20 or 21 at that time, but looked much younger. I was asked to take part in brigade meet in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in the 400-meter event. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know that 400 meters meant. I had always run 6 miles. Students, when he got second position in the race, then he became a cynosure. Cynosure means a person who is the focus of everyone's attentions. Means now he has taken the attention of everyone who was presented there and who has saw the race. Now he has become the center of attraction of all the people. And he was saying that at that time I was 20 or 21, means at that time my age was 20 or 21, but I looked much younger by my age because I was too happy and excited. That's why I look much younger. And I was asked to take part in the brigade meet in Hyderabad, where he has asked to run in 400-meter event. But he was very surprised, students, because he don't know even what is the meaning of 400 meters. He got second position and he has become the center of attraction, and he has got the attraction of everyone's, and that's why he has asked to take part in brigade meet in Hyderabad, where he has to run in 400-meter event. But actually he was very surprised because he don't know what is the 400-meter means. Next, I had always run 6 miles, but it was during the brigade meet that the second incident occurred which made me even more determined to become a good athlete. He was saying that I always run 6 miles, that's why I don't know what is the 400 meters. But during the brigade meet, the second incident took place in his life, which has motivated him that to become the good athlete, and which that second incident by this second incident he was very determined that to become a good athlete. What is this, students? Let's see. In the first practice run in Hyderabad, I took off my canvas shoes and ran barefoot. Gurudev clapped his hands for me to start. I did. I clocked 63 seconds. I was eager to run 4 more rounds. After all, that was what I was used to, running 6 miles every day. So running a quarter mile seemed far too easy. I continued to practice for many days to improve my time, and soon I was running 400 meters in less than a minute. What happened? Firstly, in the first practice, when he started to practice to take part in Hyderabad meeting, means the 400-meter event, then he started to practice. When he started to practice first time, he took off his canvas shoes and he ran barefooted. Barefoot means a student without shoes, without wearing anything in your leg. Means he took out his canvas shoes and he ran barefoot. And after seeing that, Gurudev clapped his hand for him, and I did, and clocked 63 seconds, and he checked that he has over 63 seconds, and I was eager to run more rounds, 4 more rounds, and he was very excited to practice, and he was very keen to run 4 more rounds. Why? Because he used to run 6 miles every day. That's why he was very excited to run 4 rounds more. And so running a quarter mile seemed too easy for him. So running a quarter miles seems him very easy, and he continued to practice for many days, and he has not stopped his practice. He has continued to run many days to improve his time. He want to improve his time. He has the practice to run 6 miles, but he has started his practice and he continued because he want to improve his time. But at last, what happened? So he was started running 400 meters in less than a minute. Means by practicing, he has started to run 400 meters less than a single minute. By practicing, he has done all this things. Why? Because he was very eager and very excited. That's why he has practiced a lot, and through his practice, he has started to run 400 meters less than a single minute. Students, till page number 21 I have explained. In next video I have explained from next page. Thank you.